All right, Dr. Zach Kadoff here with Select Chiropractic. Today we're going to go over how to use a towel at home to put extension into the neck and the low back. Adding extension into those areas basically helps take pressure off of the spine, takes pressure off the discs, which then relieves pain from nerves pressing, discs pressing on nerves, on soft tissue pressing on nerves. All beneficial, basically DIY stuff that you can do at home to help basically keep your back a little bit happier. So first things first, I want to show you how to fold up that towel. So just take a regular bath towel. Everybody have one at home. Good thing about this is that people that are traveling too, I mean, obviously you got a bath towel wherever you're going to be staying. So take the towel, fold it in half, like so, and then half again, and then you're just going to roll that up from there. So it doesn't have to be perfect. As even as you can get that, the better, so that you're not putting more pressure on one side of your neck or your low back. So you'll have a nice roll there, you know, probably about 4 inches thick or so, and then plenty of space to, you know, lay on your low back or your neck and shoulders. So that's how you roll that up.